is wallpaper and cut it by this the cutter, which is pretty good. You can cut it. Basically, this size comes with the actual line, which you can just take like this and just cut it this way. So it will be easier to actually cut it and straight balance. Then after that, basically I've done this side already. So I measure it, and it depends on what you want, but I will go from basically I'll go from the straight down, so easier. If you go to the right, you could do that way, but maybe you need a two-person to do it. If you're alone, I think it's best to just line down and like this, then do it from there. So we just have extra piece that will be like this. Then we have this overlap a little bit, so it will not have a space in white like this, space in white. So let's try this one by one. So peel it, very easy, just peel it from this little by little. Then use the actual brush. Then also the brush, this type, to actually make the bubble away, take out. But it works by hand. So first I do it by hand so that I can feel it much easier. So see, I recommend to have it on top right here. Doesn't cut yet until everything done, because you have to settle down for a couple of days so that it will settle down. The paper will settle down and there is no bubble in between or inside of it. So I just be careful, don't tear up. See, so you can see this. Okay, so take on a part so it will stick on the it. Okay, all right, then just take it this way. Try to make it balanced. Okay, so it's not straight. We can take it out a few times to balance. So that, okay, this not yet balanced. So little bit more. Little bit more up, a little bit. Okay. A little bit more up here. Okay. So, how much you want to actually balance, really up to you. But just to make sure the, let's see, maybe I need little stand like this, but I break it because I was heavy. So this is for kids. Okay, so this one better. So use the stair. Last time I used stair, so balance better. Little bit. Yeah, alright. So this is good. Then just little by little, like this. Take on paper. I'll just take it away. Okay. Actually, you can redo it once you do it, but make sure not do that because it will weaken the glue. So make sure this part is above. So this kind of, I'm not sure you can see, but you'll notice the bubble will pop up because the paper itself, it has this bubble thing. So so slow. So this part of it, you can just use the cutter, then cut it off later. But for now, I just leave it until everything settles down. Okay. Okay, so like that. Okay. See this line. So make sure your wall is not ruined. Before do that, there are a lot of like this waves. So I did that earlier because when I was doing it, if you roll it carefully, you will not have this. So this part, you will not gonna have it. But this wallpaper is good because that's looks like a stone. So some cases maybe has this line. Okay, what are you doing? Watch out, watch out. Okay, stop playing some stupid stuff. Okay. Oh, so long. Okay. What are you doing? Are you a good boy, bad boy? Are you a good boy, bad boy? Okay. Are you a good boy, bad boy? Okay, are you a good boy, bad boy? Are you a good boy, bad boy? Huh? Bad boy? Are you bad boy? Okay. Go that way. No. Move. You can play. You can play. No, no, no. Play there. Moreいらないかな、もう捨てちゃおう。You want? No? あ？ないか。ああ、老眼鏡ってどうする？どうしよう。